Question 8 takes us back to fairly conventional and straightforward algebra. Part A shouldn't present much problem. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Moving on, B. Factorise and then solve. Will it work out easily? Or do I have to use the quadratic formula? I want two numbers that multiply together to be 36 and whose difference is 5. 36, well, 6 times 6 won't work, but 9 times 4 will. So all we've got to do is plug in the rest. We want a negative 36, so one of these guys must be negative. So if we look at the underneath multiplications, the 9x must be the negative element, because negative 9 with a positive 4 will give negative 5. So this is minus and this is plus. And that's the answer to part B. So in part 2 of part B, our expression has now turned into an equation which we're asked to solve. It's the same. It's always worth checking there's not some evil trick. It is the same, so we can just plonk our factors equaling 0 and solve. If that is true, either this guy is 0 or this guy is 0. So if the left-hand bracket has to be 0, x must be 9. And if the right-hand bracket is 0, x must be negative 4. And that is the answer.